Hi guys, well today we're gonna go try to catch some crappie. So we'll see how it goes. The weather's looking pretty nice right now. It's about
48.
40 something.
48.
48.
So says in the car.
So we about an hour away. We'll see. Stay tuned. Well, we just got here and it's about 6 o'clock, I think. Still one pole, one deep, and one with a bobber. And she fishing something over there. We're using minnow for now. We'll see. Kind of cold still, but she's outside drinking beer while I'm in the car, cold as hell. I guess I'm not a true fisherman. I'm watching my pole from the inside the car. Where'd my bobber go? Oh, right there. Beautiful place though. But I guess we might be too early. Maybe like 3-4 weeks early. Oh, I guess this is where we staying for the night. Oh, there's a bonfire thing right there, babe. We gotta buy firewood.
Oh, shit.
Let's go buy firewood.
We're gonna be outside.
Yeah.
Inside. How ghetto is it?
Who
With
room
my
is
purse.
this?
My beer.
Room 112.
I had to do both.
Where the players drill. Just kidding.
I guess,
You don't know how to open.
guess you can't come in then. You're not. I am.
Let's see. Oh, not that bad. What a light.
I don't know, right there. I just turned it on.
We're gonna have some bonfire today. Catching some crappie.
It's kind of cold. How do you turn the heat?
It's about to go down. That's my fishing spot. About to go over there, Pang. Catch you some fish real fast. Hold up. Give me 10 minutes.
Like,
Ain't catch shit yet. Took one of my bait.
gonna be here
We'll
all
see
night.
how that go. You got a pizza?
Go pizza.
To go pizza.
Shit, I wanted the chicken.
Huh?
I still have the sub. You want the sub?
For now. Till I catch a fish.
Yeah, we can grill that sucker.
Throw it on bonfire.
It's not gonna taste good without salt. No salt to it.
Go get some salt from them lady.
I'm not going back up there. I might stay.
This is what we caught. Pizza, beer, bonfire.
I'm just enjoying the bonfire. I'm gonna wait till May.
I'm waiting for that wobber to go down.
They ain't trying to bite. This sucks.
Yep, nothing.
Not a damn thing.
Not a damn
Just enjoy the
thing.
bonfire and your beer. That's all you can
We got
do.
full moon now.
The stars are the other way, babe.
What? Can't even see from my phone. Ugh. We got skunk. Oh, it's hella windy today. Last night, I think I fished till like 4 in the morning. Look how cold it is. You can't really tell, but I didn't catch nothing except a buzz. Caught two crappie. Decent size. Nice size. Pretty big. I'm gonna go try to throw a couple more times and go home. That's it. 2 fish, too early for the season. Catch y'all next time.